Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Sephora VIB sale haul, and I'm so excited to show you because I actually got some new products as well as restocked on other products. This is the box right here, and I'm just gonna go through them very quickly. So this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I absolutely love the setting spray, and I think this is such a great deal. You get two full size, and this retails for $66. Or the value is $66 and it retails for $42, which I think is such a great deal. So I had to restock on those. And then another restock was the Glow Recipe Your Glowing set. It comes with a full size of the watermelon toner as well as the niacinamide dewdrops. I'm almost done with this. I'm about like that much left, and it came with a full size of this, and the value was so good. This is a $68 value and it retails for $49. Next restock that I had to get because it's another great deal. For all of these, it's such a great deal, and then you're also getting like 20% off or 15% off on top of it. So this is the Olaplex Style and Strengthen set. It comes with a full size number 6, a number 7, and then a sample of number 9. The number 9 is great. I have the full size of it, and it's so good, and it smells amazing. Next, I got the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is the best cleansing balm I've ever used, and I'm almost done with my first jar. This is my second one, and I'll buy it again and again. This is another restock. Like I said, I was running low and this sale came at a perfect time. Is the Youth to the People cleanser. I have the full size one. I'm almost done with it, and I decided to just get the refill size. And I mean, for 20% off, I couldn't pass it up. So I had to restock on this. This is like a restock, also kind of a new product for me. I used up the sample of it and I loved it so much, I decided to get the full size. And it just so happens it came in a set, which is another great value. This is the Skin Fix Your Barrier Protector set. It comes with the barrier triple lipid peptide cream, the full size of it, along with a full size refill and a hand cream. Such a great deal. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so nourishing on my skin. It's so great for dry skin if you have dry skin like me, which includes like patchiness and flakiness. It's so good. I picked up my birthday gift, and this year it is the Tatcha Soft Cream Cleanser along with the Dewy Skin Cream. And I'm so excited to try this, especially when I travel. I'll be definitely bringing this with me. The Kiehls Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. I have the Eucerin one. I want to try something new. I know Kiehls is such a great brand, and I want to try their hand cream, so I'm really excited to try this. Of course, I had to stock on the Grande Lash Serum. This stuff is amazing. It's literally a miracle to my lashes, my short Asian straight lashes. It made it so long and so much fuller. It's so good. I got a couple of samples. I chose them on the website, but I guess they ran out because they gave me two different ones. This is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. I like this brand. I've only used their sunscreen, and so far so good. And then a sample of the BHA liquid exfoliant. I absolutely love this stuff. I love how I have a sample of it so I can bring it with me when I travel. The next few things are new, and I'm actually wearing them on my face right now. There's gonna be a tutorial coming up where I try on all these products, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing are the Tower 28 lip jellies, and I tried it in store, and the texture, even now I'm wearing it right now, it's so beautiful. It's just very silky on the lips, and it's not sticky at all, not tacky or thick. It's such a beautiful texture. So I got the shade Almond, and then I had to get their holiday collection, and it comes with their popular color Pistachio, or I'm sorry, no, this is Coconut, and then a new color which is called Dream. It's called Dream, and it looked absolutely stunning on the TikTok that I saw where they swatched it on their page. And then I was looking for a new setting powder. I wanted to find a clean beauty setting powder. I'm currently using a sample of, or not the sample, but the travel size of the Laura Mercier one, which I'm almost done with. So I wanted to try a clean beauty one. So I got the Ilia Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and it's what I'm using on my face. So far, I'm loving it. It feels really good on the skin. It's not too heavy or cakey. I think it's really, really good so far in terms of wear, and it's also talc free. From one of my favorite makeup brands, Merit Beauty. This is their Flush Balm Trio, and it comes with 3 colors. 2 of them are their normal colors, and then they come with 1 new one. So it comes with Beverly Hills, Cheeky, and then the new color is Mars, which is what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. And I mean, I love their blushes, and I really like this color, the new color. I feel like it's a great color for fall, for winter, and I've been wanting the gold packaging blushes for so long, so I'm really excited that I finally have my hands on that. Next is something that's new to me. Again, I'm wearing it on my face. It is the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter in the shade Mesmerize. Oh my goodness, I have been missing out. I absolutely love this highlighter. It gives such a great healthy glow to the skin. I was really skeptical about this because I thought it was just gonna be a very heavy, I don't know, fake looking highlighter when you put it on the skin, but it blends so beautifully on top of everything, including powder, which I really liked. So I was able to apply it after setting my face, and it still blended out beautifully and diffused very smoothly. And this color is so good. Last but not least is the Haus Labs foundation by Lady Gaga. There was so much hype around this, and I just wanted to try it out. So of course, during the sale, I just had to grab my hands on it. I did a swatch in store prior to buying it online, and I'm in the shade 220 light medium warm. This is what I'm wearing on my face right now. Oh my gosh, I think this is one of the best foundations I've ever used. I think it might be better than the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, which is a new foundation that I've tried, but I think this one takes the cake. It feels so good on the skin. It feels like there's nothing. It feels like it's skincare that I'm just applying on my skin. And the coverage is really good. I feel like it's like a medium coverage. I can just blend it in with my fingers so easily. I just blended it with a sponge afterwards just to kind of be a little extra, but honestly I felt like I did not need to blend with a brush or a sponge. I just used my fingers and it was good to go. And that completes my Sephora VIB haul of 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys got, what is on your wish list. I guess their next sale is the Black Friday sale. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.